Dog brain!
Snoopy's asleep. I wonder what he's dreaming about. Snoopy, what is it? Hello, Linus. What's that you've got? Ooh, a cookie. Uh-oh, Linus. Looks like you've got Snoopy's attention. Seems like Linus isn't moved by your scare tactics, Snoopy. Oh no, Snoopy. Looks like you won't be getting any cookies out of Linus. Snoopy, look! Over there! Let's try our luck with Charlie Brown, Snoopy. He can't turn down a begging dog. Oh, Charlie Brown says he'll split his cookies with you, Snoopy. That was very nice of you, Charlie Brown. You'll get 3 cookies each. Snoopy. Dogs can't count. A likely excuse. Good grief, Charlie Brown.